Hello, now we're going to take a look at number formatting. If we've come here from the tweet that had number formatting in 60 seconds, this is essentially the same, but just slowed down a little, so there's a little more time to take it in. Okay, so first of all, the important thing to know about number formatting is it's in 4 parts. There's the positive, negative, zero and text sections, all separated by a semicolon. Here we've got an example of the formatting for those. The first one showing positive, those hashes are essentially a placeholder so that we can put 1,000 separator in, and that works also for millions and so on. And at the end of that we've got an underscore bracket, which we'll look at in a second. The negative section, we've got red in square brackets, which will make that go red. Otherwise it's the same as the positive one, but we've got brackets around that, so we're using the accounting convention of showing negative numbers with a bracket around rather than a minus in front. For zero we've got just a dash, and then for the text section the at the end will determine where the cell, the value returned by the cell will appear, and it will appear after the words format text, which will appear as a result of being in this format. So that close bracket after an underscore there will align the last digit in positive numbers with those in negative numbers, and actually what's happening there is that the underscore leaves a blank space that's the size of the character following it, which is a closed bracket. So let's take a look at a live version here. Now we're going to use the number format, so we selected the cells, we go down to custom, we're picking one of the standard ones here as a starting point, and we're going to basically reproduce that format that we just showed. So here first of all we're going to put in the underscore close bracket at the end of the positive. We're going to replace the minus, that's the standard, with the open bracket, and then put a close bracket at the end for the negative. Put a semicolon to take us into the negative section where we just have a minus sign, and then we're going to put in something, so this format text will appear in the formula, and the at determines where the text from the function goes. So there we are. Now you can see the effect of that formatting. If you want to find out more, there is a help here. If you click on that button, that should take you to the Microsoft website, where you have the full description of all of the qualifying characters for formatting.